Welcome to my channel, where I'm still discussing my book, The Igbo Phenomenon. In this particular video, I'm still talking about the entrepreneurship progress of the Igbos and looking at some of the reasons why they are so successful in business. One of the reasons that we have to look at in this particular video is that the Igbos value achievement a lot. In this part of the world, age is revered, but achievement is highly esteemed. Therefore, there is the innate desire to achieve, to accomplish. People are not respected because of who their father is or who their father was. People are respected by their personal achievements. If you have read the book, The Things Fall Apart, you know about the main character, Okonkwo. Okonkwo was from a very poor family. His father was a nobody. But you can see how, through personal achievements, he became among the title holders in the community. He became among the chiefs of the community. All that was achieved through personal achievement. He looked at himself and said, I would not like to be like my father. I don't want to be a nobody like my father. I want to be somebody. That is one of the trademarks of the Igbos. They want to achieve. Personal achievement means a lot. And if you want to succeed in business, you must be able to be somebody who admire the fact that you want to be better than the condition you found yourself. So personal achievement is revered in this part of the world. There is a need to succeed. There is innate desire to succeed. Nobody wants to be a lackey of anybody. Everybody wants to succeed. So that desire to make it, that desire to succeed is one of the reasons why they are very good in business, because it's like saying, nothing can make me to be like what I don't want to be. Therefore, I have no choice. I have no alternative than to succeed. So that mindset of succeeding despite all the odds, knowing the odds against you and moving against the tide against you, is one of the things that propel them to succeed in business. They value achievement. And this value for achievement is the reason why they excel in so many things, not just in entrepreneurship. They excel in business. They excel in academics. They excel in professional. They excel in sports. If you read this my book, you will see that some of the best footballers that Nigeria has ever had, some of the best footballers that have ever come out of this part of the world, they are all Igbos. It is that same drive to succeed that propels them. It is that same drive to be the best that propels them. So for any entrepreneur who wants to make it, who wants to succeed, he must learn from Igbos the idea to achieve, the desire. You must have that desire to achieve. You must have that desire to go the whole hog. You cannot be able to do that if you fell by the wayside. You must be able to go through the whole hog. You can't quit. Like they have said, you can't quit if you want to win. You must be a winner. Winners don't quit. Winners don't quit. So you must have that desire that you want to achieve. You want to be respected in the society. You want to be among the chiefs of the society. You want to be among the men that could be held in the society. That is the driving force. If you have nothing to look forward to, you have no reason to struggle. You have no reason to be the best that you could be. So that is one of the things that the Igbos have been able to use. It is a traditional something, it's a cultural something, but they have used it in modern life to make headway than most other people. Thank you. In my next video, we'll talk about other steps you need to take to succeed like the Igbos.